Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, you will learn how you can unarchive messages in your conversations and chats on Telegram on your Android phone. So let us get started. Head over to the Telegram application, launch it on your mobile device, like on your Android. And let's assume you accidentally archived a chat or conversation and you can't find it here on your home screen anymore. Don't worry guys, because there's a simple solution how we can unarchive that conversation and retrieve it. So what you want to do here on your home feed or on your home screen is simply tap and swipe down and hold till you get this notification here, see archived or access archived chats. So once you see that, release your finger from your display and access the given folder by tapping on it. After that, you will be given access to a list of all so far archived chats and conversations. So to unarchive the given chat, simply tap on these three dots here and select unarchive to unarchive and to restore the entire conversations, including all messages within the given chat or conversation. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.